From Actionable Ops, here's how to install Hermes on any machine, pick a model, and verify it actually works. The install is one line. Paste it, and a script pulls Python, Node, ripgrep, and ffmpeg in one shot. No homebrew, no apt, no version juggling. Hermes runs the same way on Mac, Linux, WSL2, or a fresh VPS. On macOS or Windows, the easiest path is the Hermes desktop installer from the website. It installs both the command line and the desktop app in one step. For a command line-only install, paste the curl one-liner on Linux, Mac OS, or WSL2, or the PowerShell variant on native Windows. On Windows, the most battle-tested path is WSL2, then run the same Linux curl command inside it. Native Windows works but is still early beta, so WSL2 is the safer call. Now pick where the model comes from. The easiest path, Hermes Setup -- Portal. One command, one login, 300+ models on one subscription. You skip wiring up separate accounts for web search, image, and voice tools too. On a fresh install, Hermes Setup offers 3 modes. Quick Setup logs you into Nous Portal and turns on the tool gateway. Full Setup walks you through every provider and tool yourself. Blank Slate starts everything off except the bare minimum, so you enable only exactly what you need. Otherwise, run Hermes model to pick any provider you already have a key for. One thing to know, Hermes needs a model with at least 64,000 tokens of context. Most hosted models clear that easily, but if you run a local model, set its context size to at least 64K. Then just type Hermes. You should see a welcome banner with your model, your tools, and your skills. If that comes up clean, your install is healthy. From here, Episode 3 walks through your first real chat. That's the one-line install for Hermes, built by News Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.